What's up, everyone? Today is May 26, 2019. It's day 146 of this 365-day video journal. Don't really have too much to talk about today. Just sort of feel like I'm decompressing a little bit. Excuse me. I say that honestly, I don't even know what I don't want to pull shit out of my ass right now. I'm gonna go to kind of let my brain rest a little bit. It is feeling a little you know, whatever that word is. But but yeah, I just wanted to say what's up and just keep this thing going. I do have days like this, where I don't have anything to say, and that's okay. I'm not gonna put any pressure on myself. That's for excuse me. Pardon me. I am coughing like a fucking hyena uh, who swallowed a fucking cactus tree. Yeah, I'm over this like cough thing. This cough thing is ready to be gone. But one thing is, I have to say, is ever since I've been doing the Dr. Sebi thing, I haven't really had that much mucus. I mean, if anything, the mucus is like trying to kick itself out, which is great. So that's definitely one promising thing. But I did feel like I wanted some beer today, and I just thought about it. I'm like, I don't want to do that to myself. Not right now. I don't need it right now. So, anyhow, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's win.